Description: this ultra-thin zero-gap replacement blade can be used with any FX787 trimmer. Use it for a precise, clean cut. It's made from hypoallergenic gold, titanium and can fit all 2-hole blade systems. Benefits: this standard tooth T-blade is zero-gap adjustable and great for all hair textures and skin sensitivity levels. Suggested use: when the blade on your BaBylissPRO FX787 is dull, change it out with this replacement T-blade. Top reviews from the United States. True to quality. My husband loves this blade for his babybliss trimmer. Still remains king of the shape-up. Buy this all the time. Graphite blade has nothing on this. A+.